In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your VPN not connecting in Windows 11. So if your VPN is not working or not connecting to the internet, I'm going to show you two ways to go and solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Next to View By, click on the drop down arrow and select Large Icons. You can then click on Network and Sharing Center. Now go and click on your connection from the list and click on Properties. You can then scroll down and you'll see Internet Protocol version 6. You need to go and uncheck the box next to this and then press OK. You can then close out of this window and you can check to see if your VPN is now working. If you're still having an issue, then open up the Start menu and then go and click on Settings. In the left hand side, select Network and Internet, click on VPN. And make sure Allow VPN over metered networks is turned on, and also Allow VPN while roaming, make sure this is turned on. You should also be able to see your VPN connection from this list, and you'll just need to make sure you're connected. Once you've done this, go and click on Network and Internet from the left hand side. You can then click on Advanced Network Settings, scroll down and click on Network Reset, and click on Reset Now. It will say, are you sure you want to reset your settings? Go and press Yes. Now once you've done this, you'll need to go and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can then go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection, and that should have fixed any issues with your VPN not connecting. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.